A problem with charts and objects on a dashboard is perhaps right at the end you've set it up, it looks great, and someone says, can you just increase this column width? The problem is when I increase it by double clicking, you can see that these two charts, because they were on top of that column, have actually been stretched. They've got longer, so they no longer match the size over here. You can control this. So if you go to any chart or object, you right click and you say Format Chart Area. You'll see normally in the same place where it has the size, it's got something called Properties. And these properties, by default, it says it must move and size with cells. So if you increase that, this thing changes size. We can choose to move but don't size with cells, or don't move or size with cells. So I'm going to choose that one. And now when I go and maybe double click this, notice that this one stays exactly the same size, this one's still stretching. So let's just undo it. So if you have this problem and you want to change the default settings for all these charts, click on the first one, hold Control down, click on the others, and you'll see I can right click and say Format Object. In this case it says Format Shape. I've got this little symbol here for size and properties. There's my size and properties. I'm going to tell them all to don't move or size with cells. And now when I go and double click, you'll see it no longer changes these sizes.